All right, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about your money and how it gets from your bank account to an investment app like Acorns. You know, that cool app that automatically invests your spare change. Yeah, that one. But here's the thing, not all banks play nice with Acorns. So, the burning question is, what banks actually are compatible with Acorns? Let's dive in. First off, let's clear something up. Acorns isn't a bank itself. It's an investment platform. That means it doesn't hold your money directly. Instead, it works with partner banks to facilitate your investments. So, when you link your bank account to Acorns, you're actually linking it to one of these partner banks. Now, who are these partner banks? Well, as of right now, the main two are Lincoln Savings Bank and NBKC Bank. These are the banks that handle the money you transfer to Acorns for investment. So, if you're already a customer of one of these banks, you're in luck. Linking your account to Acorns should be a breeze. But what if you're not with Lincoln Savings Bank or NBKC Bank? Well, don't panic just yet. Acorns does offer the ability to link a wider range of banks for things like deposits and withdrawals. This means you can still use Acorns, even if your primary bank isn't one of the main partners. However, keep in mind that this might limit some features, like automatic roundups. So, how do you check if your bank is compatible with Acorns? Well, the easiest way is to just try and link it. Acorns will usually tell you pretty quickly if it's supported. But, if you want to do some detective work beforehand, you can check Acorns' website or their app. They might have a list of supported banks. Now, let's talk about why bank compatibility matters. It's all about convenience and efficiency. If your bank is directly linked to Acorns, you can often set up automatic transfers and roundups. This means your investment account is constantly growing without you having to lift a finger. It's like having a little money-growing robot working for you. On the other hand, if your bank isn't directly compatible, you might have to manually transfer money to your Acorns account. This can be a bit of a pain, and it's easy to forget. Plus, you might miss out on those sweet, automatic roundups. So, what can you do if your bank isn't compatible? Well, you could consider switching banks. If you're not happy with your current bank anyway, this might be a good opportunity to find a better deal. Or, you could stick with your current bank and just deal with the manual transfers. It's up to you. But here's the thing, while bank compatibility is important, it shouldn't be a deal breaker when it comes to investing. Even if you have to put in a little extra effort, investing small amounts regularly can make a big difference over time. Remember, it's the journey, not the destination. So, there you have it. A quick rundown of bank compatibility with Acorns. Remember, the best way to find out if your bank works with Acorns is to simply try it out. And if it doesn't, don't stress too much. There are always workarounds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.